Long ago, there lived a mother and her son. The son's name was Jack. One day, the mother said to Jack,
"We cannot afford to buy even a loaf of bread. We will have to sell our cow."
"Okay, mother, I will take the cow to the market and sell her." On the way to town, Jack came across a man coming down the road.
"Hello there, boy. Are you taking your cow to town to sell?"
"Yes, sir. Are you interested in buying her?"
"Well, no. I would like to trade her for these magic beans."
"Okay." Jack and the man traded. Jack was so excited that he ran all the way home.
"Mother, look what I got for our cow! Magic beans!"
Jack's mother became angry with Jack. His mother took the magic beans from Jack and threw them out the window into the garden. Jack and his mother did not have anything to eat for dinner that evening. Jack was forced to do some chores. Then he went to bed. The next morning, Jack and his mother had a big surprise. During the night, the beans had sprouted. They had grown into a thick beanstalk so tall that it was in the clouds. "I wonder where it ends." He jumped onto the beanstalk and began climbing. When Jack had reached the very top, he found a path that took him all the way to the front door of an enormous house. When Jack knocked, a tall woman opened the door. "Please, ma'am, let me in. I'm hungry and thirsty."
"You'll be the worst of it if you don't go away. My husband likes to eat little boys and he'll be home soon."
Suddenly, the earth shook with the giant's footsteps. Jack sprinted into the house.
I smell the blood of an Englishman. You must be smelling the stew from last night's dinner."
The woman brought the giant his magic hen. Jack peeked out and watched the hen lay one golden egg after another. Soon the giant was fast asleep and snoring. Jack tiptoed his way onto the chair, then quietly grabbed one of the eggs. But the hen cackled so loudly that it awoke the giant.
"Come back here, you thief!"
Jack ran like the wind. He climbed down the beanstalk, but the giant was close behind him. "Quick! I need an axe!" When Jack reached the bottom, he took an axe and chopped down the beanstalk as hard as he could. Down tumbled the giant, and with a mighty groan he fell dead on the ground.
"Jack, what is that?"
It's a giant! But Look what I found at his house. A hen that lays golden eggs. Jack's mother smiled and gave Jack a big hug. Jack and his mother lived happily ever after thanks to the golden egg. They never needed anything ever again.